nirmala kenyam biakamal Nuer online TV channel. Kejan guasame kan kono reiler kaname video me be play biajor biajeling take message mugwa metobe ko deni tungwande kan mandan le rore de kanangach bana jo me bana jeling kel jo me jenaka lam nyaare ay mor gente ka jo me mi bialingo karitan content lat kordian kanasir are video gonna me bia message dan tobe bia jeling yendial kare video gonna me ba no ajeno jin dere je nywaga nasin ko ken gore je bano jin dere Nuer online dere je support dere subscribe ko kader notification bell ko de lerde kan kul mala shugo je gwal dan payga brek bana jo me bana jeling ajene nana akan kono rede ajene gat akawoika are which kanasir okay gat akawoika are which kanasir jene ko kordide gwa de gade ka which de kan ka kemne ki de nan gwada dana bi kan seftena ki bi betel ci kor ga de chopten kon kuma kirmi jadit be ko ben war baka ben nakel ka gat ken jen e madana talk anyok reler kana maka men chalat ka video dan ba play chalat gwanu na me pre-plant korm chare ka kirmi jadit ko ben war baka nak ko babol mel ba je kula lat kwara na me jen ta dana len waru den gaje hani chana je linkel one of 10 okay
wa che la mala no rekel guarda titano ken bajan dong balana 2 minute ke 3 minute ba me ke video ko wani di alba cha galat tel rani ni mo baba la long ba me an ci lo de jega long ke mi to ka nasar ke to bo elsewhere ka win Nuer kelo Nuer kel mede la ngwa me o yin ga nasir ke ga Nuer dial ke junuf koro me genje benatam ka kon ka bom rana chanda na ke je bombarding chemical weapon cha use ka nasir is against international law by this regime, machine killer. Like machine killers, machine killers. God, we go on. Chala ne negeri de men made an video de men no nasir mo o yar maj. Je me ta yar maj ne. But ta wajen the last core. Go on core me chi core nasir karade. A core Nuer everywhere. Go on self go be power be kambul mail. God, what you God, what you God can answer. What you God else every anyone thing will think Junuf. What you God then? Now a God look you can. A God look you can. Go call did and call a man. Come on, go teach and tell me call a man. She will quit with him for a lamb woman. Nime quabo, nime quation. It a bund ban and can answer. If by God back all the sum, but made back all with any kin. But in the phone to the dentum, Chang on the phone, within the phone to make it over. Go on, Rick. Nueri, Rick down condial. A genuine with your more shoe with your work or moment you talk and answer a chair beneath your benefit. Go jam where you would just cave a pal. Beginak. Take a broken of take a genuine with your more. Better take one time of cordial and titwog. Kashi a cold Nuer kel, she a cold Nueram, she a cold Nasa Karade, a cold Nuer dial. Whether take up into take my wood, take a panga, take a board shell, wherever you are, as long as Genuer, Jangorji. But bro, good take what it no. Whether take America, take Canada, take Europe, take Africa, what the teeth no, she knew some you could not alcohol be new to know. Take your order. One question over. Make a cool, make you talk on Tamana. Kwa Nuer na kigada konde cha na tiki wang ko kama kalada cha use. I don't been asleep. Ko taga kit taga guard myself. Kanian. Okay. Gadu kono chakula ne kanasiri ya wang. Agadu. Tiro do wo tikoro me mitaben. Bechi maarga ni chi ngware. Nuer ka kel ba lo kamu. Bro tikoro adu. Kamena na bilo. Meda bina lo ka pal, whether bina lo ka yo, whether bina lo ka wo front line, chimitek dolu chimitek wai ham ka front line yo, gankarodian ko lia kel. Luna, mi je paga wala biliurun. Kami pagurun biliu mola. Waje ke bide boliwe. Chimitek pur wuri kwale pot kanga. Pot kanga te mela raje. Kijane te mela raje. Kedwal. Ke jaga si jenta whether be take ke be take. Te wutun ra kanga yo te right. Ko te dwal ke te jube. Te dwal ke te jube am pot kanga. Ka kana yana ne gata. And saying I'm not an saying an I wo ke an government. But look at me judge Nuer. And me name Nuer look at it. She tell me I was yen and would you ring my child and tell. Yenji I would dinner I will go and I will take it dinner. Yen right, which I get just be a my child, I'll come like a citizen. Go at it, keep your pot down there, come like a citizen. What a titan, could it end your benacor? Okay? They don't have benacor on them right now. Ko mi cha nungu de mata mi cha nungu de chwale Uganda I know Uganda trouble. Mi cha nungu ko bi self be kana fata ka njuba. Bi kan self be kana gang ko je de wuji angat. Okay? Gang ni self. Am jabi no de gang ni self. I didn't gang self. Ko power be to be soon be kan bol mel. I just take all this chaos. And mercy to SSPDF, South Sudan People Defense Forces. This mercy go to you. Was my little bit English. This mercy go to you, direct to you. Okay? You guys are going to war, to front line, to Nasser or elsewhere, and kill innocent people. And you are not even getting paid for years. You're not getting pay in South Sudan. And you are national harm protecting and served the country. Okay? Right now, you guys are ready to go to front line. Okay? You're not even getting paid. You left your mom, you left your sister, you left your brother, you left your wife with your kid, and you are going to fight. And you're not even getting paid. The government is not paying you. Right now, they brought Uganda soldier. They brought Uganda. They spend million and million of money. They pay one person, one Ugandan soldier, $500. $500 for one soldier a day. I forget about all these jets that are bombarding Nasser. Okay? This guy getting $500 a day for each individual, for each soldier, Uganda soldier. And you are not getting paid, and you're going to war to kill your brothers. Okay? Don't think that you guys 63 twice. You guys are silent. Should look, whatever, Mabant and Equatoria, and you dinka, to including you guys, should speak up. For this regime to go, it's only one day. You guys could get out in Juba and say Salva-Kiir can go. Freedom does not come easy. It's gonna affect you guys. You guys need to speak out. Okay? You guys need to speak out and say this is never enough. Salva is stop killing our people. You think this guy is killing now, is killing Nuer? Okay? And the oil money is going to only 10% of the population in South Sudan. The money is just going on to Salva-Kiir family. You guys need to speak up, you dinka. You need to speak up and say enough is enough. Don't kill our brother Nuer because we intermarried. Okay? Do you think that this killing is not going to come and affect you guys, dinka? For Salva-Kiir to leave the seat, to leave the office is only one day. Demonstration in Juba can let Salva-Kiir leave the power. Now he's bringing all this chaos. He have money for the war, but he don't have money to pay the police, the army in South Sudan. And he's bringing all this war. And you guys are silent. You guys need to speak up. When Nuääri, Mabalariye. Carlo is a jail along with it all got. Nakanaka chemical weapon which are they use. Kajani a queer weight. Kabinaka bedian. Simitinagas in Guamet and a jagajan. Kataga next uncle where an answer. Chakawang, command me chemicals. Kabidian Indian at all. Someone I'm right. Go with the right to right but Nakaji. But better over right by Larana right. Okay? Port Kang Nuer, I don't know Nuer but a Nuers. Malara not talk like it. Kedwal. Kajan Chayan them. Whether one Nakich and the Bangai Port Kang Jet. Lia Luna, me power blue mall, which Pagun blue mall matot. This time, one of the Kabalakel. One of the Kabalakel got it. 2013 and 2016, I get you again. I can't get a goalie. Go men na longing. I watch you at a jube, kitchen at a Canada Gaga Queen. They take a Nuamata Kume, Selfa Jetagan Mitago Carables. Don't you know how to walk any and Tamakina don't work all this corruption. Take it at a pep. Kuomika Gor. Can you come Gor? Tell that. Mixi Goro Gulushi, go to the tar, some good name, be a teacher, be a doctor, be a Mixi Gor, paper, Kawarga. Not walk. Junkia Goro will be number Nueri Bejo Ping. Junkia Goro by leader, Kaso Sudan 200 year, 100 year. And you guys the rest of the twice, you 62 twice, and you guys silent. We Nuer, we're speaking up. You better join us and say, no, this is Kailoro. You self should not do this. Because tomorrow, when we say we Nuer, we want to have our own nation. We will not be part of South Sudan. You guys will be victimized. He will play with you guys the same thing he's playing with us now. He killed us in 2013, he killed us in 2016, and now he's doing the same thing. Are you happy for that, for the bombardment that happened last night? Killing people with chemical weapons in Nasser at night? Is it legit government? What's the job of judge with Uganda? Sanimshi Shakal Nas? Asa job with Judge Zadu, a judge Jabu does out of Uganda, a judge Mamam Nasser. Each Yagot for United for win, Yagot for Juba. They give it ourselves. Mayam Shimal. Okay? We took God in mind doing grush. Utamshi Bad Nimshi Shakal Manuer, MC empty MC Doctolo, who mind the grush, to call it homework, to call it Yatak, to my Shakal is to talk to us all. You have to say no, demonstration in Juba, and say self and leave. We don't want you. Enough is enough. You have killed Nuer in 2013, you have killed Nuer in 2016, and now you have banned Nasser with chemical weapon. Okay? Tell them look on the look. Kunyala look on look road. Kunyala look on look road, Kunyal begin look. Mamicho look at Kunyal could look at it. Kunyal the tiny Paul point, get a big Paul point, but the rest let it in. We go our cover odun, Nuerikel, cover kill. American Condial. Forget about Nuer like a Jupiter minute. Who are you back and they are big tembo? Going to Anjo, I think you were and pointing my young one from Muno or Banna Benagata. Go gang and a gang and point a gang a junk. The American Condial. Okay, me have been Benamo, come on, I can tell you a junk. Thank you.
Guay shikamishalin guasame Charash Muguachajalat Rash Kakwishumka Dobrande Nuero Nyamguja Dobrande Nuerin Matkaja. Of course, Nuerijal can kel, chicken gel kel. Shiramala Kona Lanishang, Nuada Jalkel, Doba Jalkel Jajan Dodan, Berado Kulunka Gangaja. Dundo Nuerichigarodian Jako Chigren Daklani. Take SPLM IO, take SPLM IG, take a bonton one. Can a dialogue politician at all? Can chairman can Nakatabo Tilanwer, quad chairman can a target Palkakere Kumaka. But Name a turning point and Tamakan were the almutation were the Likan Matkajan Guas may be better long shirkaman shelling Guatemala Kalam, Nyari more. so jen information dana gore de nywa yekel gore jen o biatin kon lat korodian biya ka kepo kwa nuere ka tika mat chwa de daglane chula rene nuer duara me lat korodian tam biga betelo na mi chari na tam ngene kon cha yen chemen chalen gwada me potkang kanir ko ken kon cha yen re wuche ka juba ne wal bangwan awonyam la SPLM IO kan yel kanwer by the way chika jor kanwer kan dial so mi jini share je beja mi serve kem yadi will continue like me right now I don't care about ngabenong wi kwam let the ball mele le ngude shiri me shalar ne ram kel SPLM IO no ball mel kana kem yadi they don't have to kill Nuer people in order for Kirmayadi to give the presidency to Bolmel. He should just do so because it is already in the constitution. When a party want to bring in someone else, they have the right to do that. So tell a problem. Kir can bring Bolmel to the power. Tell Eric. Go still Bolmel bo compete bo misha nunga power bo compete ke election a beben. Mandiare go dong michi kan korunyo go mutokana ke 2026 mi kan to tama so da George Gwan will be Bolmel be kabom kana mo dara kuma South Sudan dara jako bo reeri kamija another thing man ba ngaje long bane an kuma South Sudan ga jen kwa chicken war korodian kwa torture yi Equatoria Western Equatoria kwa ka torture so they are part of this a chui kan bo chicken war kona naka so ala South Sudan ngora kan tuong ne kelong akere ko korodian la togone so Kirmayadi kajen 2026 2025 me gejen o shabu survive chwa gujen o kan ji Uganda no ngai no kwa no ngan war korodian na no ngan ji Equatoria bo so still ke Equatoria ala gor kano any rebore wi ka South Sudan be kana watch but ne de namla target dia long kan war ko jen nore kala really threat ka kuma Kirmayadi but moon war ko rin ka bum kel jelgan kel Kirmayadi government it will fall but fell find it fall nijen but dark by any mean kon Kirmayadi it will not survive this 2025 to 2026 he's sick and he's dying ngayen at reality clarity all this mess is creating to ko tok tin tama kan nuere ka jang be pain tin be bine tin lo like that and mishi jang chigan kulgu je gwano kan gono gat ken ba kan shikama nak kan ga nuer mo ko nuer bu retaliate they will retaliate either tomorrow next tomorrow or when but it will happen unless Kirmayadi ke jang chikan Kirmayadi chikan take out ke question dia no nakan nuere ka karun ga no gaten content bulurun ka jangarun so jen masje dana gor kono dewo kayya wa gada ko wacce men chalen gwadme biata mal